So first we're going to spray the pan. Got it preheated medium for now. Now I'm going to get the pork sausage or turkey sausage. So we got the sausage in. I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to chop this up as much as we can, smallest pieces, or if you like chunkier pieces of sausage, then that's your preference, go for it. But I'm not going to bore you. Let this cook a little bit, then start recording again, kind of keep it in progress, right? So just keep letting it cook. Keep chopping. You can turn it up a little bit if you want, but just make sure you keep letting it move so it doesn't burn, or keep it moving rather. And ultimately we want to not see any more pink. All right, so we got all the pink out. And now you can reduce the heat all the way or just to really low. We're going to throw half a cup of flour. Half cup flour. You can also play around with that too if you want to add more flour to make it thicker, and less flour to make it runnier. You can. Just gonna mix this up. We definitely want to make sure that all the meat is covered. Now that we've got all the meat covered, we're going to add 6 cups of milk. Also too, if you guys believe this is way too much, then you can split this in half. This is a decent amount of gravy. I would say you could definitely feed 6 to 7 people. Small servings, but. So now, very, very important, you're gonna increase the heat to at least medium. You can go higher, but you wanna keep stirring so that it doesn't burn to the bottom of the plate. Bottom of the pan. But we want this to start boiling, and then once it starts boiling, we're going to let it boil for a couple minutes. Now is also a good time to add salt and pepper. That is just to your liking. You don't have to add it at all if you don't want to. Yeah, just keep stirring this boiling. Just keep stirring for a couple more minutes, and then you'll be good to go. Like I said, let it boil for a couple minutes. Taking it off the heat and kind of stirring to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. But this may seem super runny, but it will thicken up once it cools down a little bit. If you want it thicker, you could either, and you want the same amount, you could either put about 1/8 cup more of flour. But if you wanted a little bit less gravy, then you could instead keep the flour the same and add maybe 5 or 5.5 cups of milk versus 6 cups of milk. All right. This is it. Just let it cool down and make biscuits and eat. If you like it, subscribe.